A plant-based diet is a way of eating that primarily focuses on consuming whole foods derived from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It aims to minimize or eliminate the intake of animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. This dietary approach has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits, including weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool. First and foremost, plant-based foods are low in calorie density, meaning they provide fewer calories compared to their volume. This allows individuals to consume a larger volume of food while staying within their calorie limits, leading to a greater sense of satiety and reduced appetite. Furthermore, plant-based diets are typically rich in fiber, which also contributes to weight loss. Fiber not only helps regulate bowel movements but also slows down digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness that can prevent overeating. Additionally, fiber-rich foods tend to be less calorie-dense, keeping calorie intake under control. Another reason why a plant-based diet is beneficial for weight loss is its emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods. By excluding or limiting processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, individuals are more likely to make healthier choices. These whole plant foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing the body with necessary nutrients while supporting weight loss efforts. Moreover, a plant-based diet can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. This is important for weight loss since insulin resistance can hinder the body's ability to effectively burn fat. In summary, a plant-based diet aids weight loss by offering low-calorie, high-volume foods, promoting feelings of fullness, providing essential nutrients, and improving overall metabolic health. It is important to note that individual results may vary, and successful weight loss also requires portion control, regular physical activity, and a balanced lifestyle.